The key to always look good is to always really look good for yourself. So be it at home or outside. I took it as a long-lived quest to look my best all the time. I grew with people from a generation where every single thing had a dress code. We live in a generation where we wear our sportswear to stay at home, our loungewear to go to the airport and pick some groceries, and we barely dress up for any occasion, and actually correct some misconceptions. You do not want to wear old clothes at home, anything stained at home, anything with holes or do not fit you well at home. Okay, so as you can see, I'm starting like anybody else, wearing my gym leggings and a t-shirt. The first thing I like to start with to look my best, even if I'm staying at home or working from home, I wake up in the morning and do my shower daily. You do not shower daily to go out, you shower daily for your own personal hygiene. So grooming is essential every day, whether you stay at home or you go out. Okay, what's the difference between loungewear, Angie, and sleepwear? Well, let me tell you. Loungewear is usually clothes that look like going out clothes, but they are in a more comfy material, more easy forgiving material, more jersey-like, cotton-like, linen-like, cashmere, velvety material, all of these type of materials. So for example, can you wear jeans, you may ask, at home? Yes, you can. Those jegging jeans that came out and people started wearing them out, those are actually considered loungewear because they look the part, but they are comfortable. Sleepwear, on the other side, you could put in a category of more sexy, more attractive, also more comfortable. Most of the time it's made out of silk because, as you know, the trend now educated people that pillowcases that are silk and scrunchies that are silk are better for your hair, for your skin in general. It does not friction and cause wrinkles in your skin, and that's why silk is always in pajamas. And pajamas usually come in sets. It's more convenient to buy sets that are fitting for summer and winter. That's how you save money, and that's also how you ensure that you look put together all the time with the same schema. Okay, Angie, what if I don't find in where I live sets? That's not hard. Then you mix and match. But make sure that when you match the fabric type and the color. When you match these two things, ultimately you will look better and it will look as if it is a set. If the store available where you live does not have loungewear as a section, they only have sleepwear, and you couldn't find in sleepwear what you're looking for, as I mentioned, look for pants that are like palazzo pants, culottes that have elastic waistband. Also hoodies, but not the ones with a hood on them because it doesn't make any sense. Why would you need a hood indoors? Hoods are made for sportswear if it's raining, not for lounging. Another example is yoga pants, but not the very stretchy ones that are made for sports. There are cotton ones and more relaxed ones, and those are more fitting for loungewear. Dress shirts are considered loungewear. Cardigans are considered loungewear. Cardigans fall into two types. There is the dressy types, the structured type, and those are the ones targeted for going out. But for loungewear, the more slouchy ones are made to snug in them when it's cold weather. A bathrobe is essential. Oh my god, a lot of people, I see them these days wrapping towels around them. Towels are made for the beach, not for you to wrap yourself around. It is the bathrobe what is meant for you to like go around the house in when you go out of the shower, especially if you live in dorms like I do. Having a bathrobe is essential. Mine is from Primark. You don't have to invest in a very expensive one because fleece usually is not very expensive. You can get also the 100% cotton, but I find that the 100% cotton robes are very heavy, and when I'm traveling with them, they weigh down my bag so much. Hairstyles at home also. I usually like to wear my hair down when I'm at home without putting pressure on it. So usually when I do that, those decorative 60s inspired headbands that are all the rage right now, I really love to wear them at home. They keep my hair away from my face, which makes it easier for me to work around the house or work on my desk or even clean or wash my face. Another way, when I want to feel a little bit dressy, I love to wear extension ponytails. These are from Foxy Locks and they are the bomb.com. Whenever I also take them and love to take them for vacation, it's such an easy way to spruce up your look. You know, extensions are not comfortable, but these ponytails are super comfortable. Mine is the 22-inch in mocha, and that's an ombre color, and I absolutely love how they dress me up instantly. You don't need to put makeup on to look your best, and definitely when I'm lounging, I like to take care of myself. I love to curl my lashes and apply Vaseline on them. I love to put lip balm that is actually tinted on my lips and on my cheeks. Sometimes I would even use these concealers that are with tea tree so that they treat your acne as well as cover it to make you look your best. Fragrance is so important. The perfumes I love to use are the mists from the Body Shop. My favorite is vanilla, and the Victoria's Secret ones. My favorite are Bare Vanilla as well. Coconut Kiss, favorite fragrances for in the house. Face mist, I just make my own with rose water in a spray bottle that I reuse, and I spray my face and my hair all the time with it, which makes me feel freshed up every now and then. I hope you have a safe stay at home. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like this video. Subscribe for more videos. I post videos every Monday and Thursday. Like this video, share it with friends, follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat. I'd love to connect with you more. Take care. Bye.